Hey, let's go over our independent practice before the exit ticket. And if you're someone who's going to be in class tomorrow, I'm going to ask you what team is that was on the hat that I'm wearing. So make sure you remember that for some extra credit. Now I'm going to first draw out this angle so that we can have it follow us the entire time. It's an angle BMU. I first know that this is an angle because there are two rays that share this endpoint M. I see that the angle is pretty wide, as we like to say, and if I drew a right angle on top of this, it would look sort of like this, like that L right there. I can see that this angle is way bigger than that L that I just made, so I know that this angle, or this type of angle, is an obtuse angle. Now I'm going to look for the vertex or the shared endpoint. That's always in the middle of our angle. That would be point M. The two rays, we always start naming our rays with the endpoint going out to the arrow that goes on forever. So I'm going to first name MB, ray MB, and ray MU. Oh, I forgot my arrow here on the U. Now when I name this, we always need to make sure that the endpoint or the vertex is in the middle when we name it. We can switch which either way the rays are, but as long as this M is in the middle, I'm gonna know like that's gonna name our angle correctly. So I see an M here, an M here, an M here. It's not angle BUM because the M's at the end. It's not angle MBU because the M's at the beginning, but it's angle BMU because the M is in the middle, the vertex is in the middle. Now, 25 degrees, what would this measurement be? I can now erase this drawing. 25 degrees, I'm gonna first compare that to 90 degrees, which is my right angle. 25 degrees is less than 90 degrees, so it's a pretty small angle, and it's so, like Denisha's dog Tina, it's so acute. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Now, what's going to be this most likely measurement for angle BSJ? I'm going to then draw out one thing that's helpful is I make my L or my right angle. I'm going to use one of the lines already and just kind of draw a right angle from it. So I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to draw a right angle from it, something that kind of looks like a right angle. I can see that my drawing is way bigger than the angle that we have, BJS. So I already know that this has to be less than a right angle or smaller than a right angle. So it has to be less than 90 degrees. So now I need to see if I have an answer that is less than 90 degrees. Well, 90 degrees is exactly or equal to 100 degrees. That's not my answer. 120 degrees, that's greater than 90 degrees. That can't be my answer. But 35 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So that could be the measurement for this angle BJS.